அடி வாங்குறது எனக்கு ஃபிக்ஸ். சேர்ந்து அடி வாங்குவோம் ப்ரோ.
1 வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Daniel Ajimoto Vlogs. Hey, hello guys and welcome back to Daniel Ajimoto Vlogs. So what is happening right now? We wanted to get down around 4 o'clock, but it's already 7. So people are very excited. अरे लेकिन उसका गाड़ी
रेडी है और उसका गाड़ी बाहर नहीं निकल रहा है.
वंडी ಎಡ್ತಾರಂಗ ನಾ ಓಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾ ಚಾವಿ ದೇ ರೇ ಬಾಬು तेरा
ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಓಡಿಲ್ಲವಾ
ಎಂಗ ಓಡಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಬಾರ್ तो निकलता
ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಹೋಯ್ನಾ
ನಾ ಚಾವಿ ನಾ ಓಡಿರುವ ನಾ ಪಾರು
சேர்ந்து அடி வாங்குவோம் ப்ரோ.
1 वेट பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். अरे चावी तो दे तू
அப்படியே திண்டு டல்கோனா காசு பண்ணு வாயில அம்பி மூஞ்சில ಯಾವ மூஞ்சில துப்பிரு
ये அவன चावी
அடி வாங்குவோம் ப்ரோ.
ए भाई थोड़ा आना थोड़ा हेल्प कर रे थोड़ा गाड़ी पे. So everybody has some special program 5-4 o'clock. So before that we have to reach Mumbai, but unfortunately nobody is gonna reach Mumbai 6 o'clock.
அடி வாங்குறது எனக்கு ஃபிக்ஸ்.
फ्यूल पैरा பண்ண போணும்.
आज फ्यूलर जगह ना देख कितना
घर अपन बाहर चले जाएगा रे डायरेक्ट.
पेट्रोल पंप कहां रहेगा.
हां बोल भाई चाबी तो दे रहे तेरा.
मेरा चेन लूप देखना ऑलरेडी मेरा
ऑलरेडी ऑयल आ रखा
सेल्फ चेन लूप वाह செஞ்சிட்டீங்க பாய் காலையிலே. இவன் எதுக்கு தான் இது போட்டாலும் கடவுளுக்கு தான் தெரியும். எதுக்கு இவன் இதை போட்டு வச்சிருக்கான்? கேண்டி விட்டு வந்துச்சு யாரும் இது இல்லையா?
என்னது
பஞ்சு கூட இல்லையா?
பஞ்சு ஏறமா
இருக்கா உங்க
இவர் R20ல ஓடி போறாரு சும்மா.
அது பத்தது
அது தவிர்த்து ஒவ்வொரு பஞ்சு கிடையாது. ஏன்னா எனக்கு ஒரு பஞ்சு தான் நான் இது பின்னாடி கிட்ட ஒரு பஞ்சு எல்லாரும் பின்னாடி என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? முதுகு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க?
அதுதான் வைப்பேன்.
இந்த வாபஸ் பாத்துறீங்களா?
So it's been a comedy day. We are just getting down from this place. So just now we are getting off from Goa. Actually our plan was to get down 5 o'clock, but because of the tiredness everybody slept. So we are just going. So all the fuel tanks are empty. So even that will consume some time. So and there are 2 KTMs, 1 RTA or Apache.
भाई 200 क्लियर कर था.
So it will be a difficult time for us. So we are getting down from this beautiful place. Let's rock and roll because we have to get down earlier from this place. And I've mounted my GoPro. So this 2 guys is there and that one has a Meteor. and this is Raj having a bullet. So actually everybody has some program 5 o'clock, before 5 o'clock, so we have to reach before 4. Let's see how it goes. So we are already sweating, so all are ready and kit up. बहुत लेट हो गया आप लोग. It's been हम क्या खा रहे हैं? ये क्या लेमन राइस है क्या? हाँ ये लेमन राइस है दादा.
हाँ 11 राइस है फोन
दादा एक पोहा दे दो काला पोहा. ब्रदर ओ ब्रदर चार तंगा चार तंगा अंदर चार इडली so ఇంకా బైక్ we have to be in Mumbai before 4. So right now it's time 8 o'clock, but we are not sure whether we are going to reach. Let's see how it goes. So this is the first fuel up we have done in Bharat Petroleum in Goa. So we are currently in Mapusa. So we are done with the fuel for my buddy, because जैसे अपना पेट है वैसे बाइक को भी देना पड़ेगा, right? So that's a good thing. Okay, we got it inside the city. That was one good thing, because we thought ki we won't be able to get the petrol nearby. So we thought, you know, we can go and pour it somewhere else. But it was a good moment, good time. यहाँ पर मिल गया, अच्छा हुआ. नहीं तो सबका फ्यूल टैंक इज टोटली लो. हाईवे पे एकदम चढ़ गया तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज एक स्ट्रेच के ऊपर ही यू विल गेट द यू नो पेट्रोल. ये मापुसा के लिए ऐसी है ना हाईवे नहीं. अच्छा राउंड मार के आना पड़ेगा. Okay. No. From there only we have to go from here only, na?
Unless you can go like this. This road is a little narrow.
So गलत रोड पे आ गए, because we need to go to that route, and अभी ये for one way है. So again we have to, you know, go around. So this highway have lots of speed breakers. This is the third one. So ये राजापुर के you know, just if you're coming from Goa, I think 3 or 4 kilometers before Rajapur, this speed you will find this kind of a speed breaker. This is the fifth one. We are in 8th one, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 3. Eleventh where? 13. I think I missed the count because after 3 there was 1 in this one. So I think it's 12. So totally 12 speed breaker we have in near Rajapur. Okay, totally somewhat 13 or 15 speed breakers we have in this location. तो ये पूरा थोड़ा घाट एरिया है and it's good. It's a national highway 66 which is the best one if you're coming to Goa or going to Goa, because at the end of the day nobody wants pain and this is the best road I will suggest to you. So we are here for fill up second time, okay? So it was like 800 kilometers and now we are again fueling up this boy. Already I think we have liters, but pata nahi, it shows that low fuel, so that's the reason I came here. Full maro, full. $105 மகாராஷ்டிராக்குள்ள வந்தாச்சுல, அங்கே தான் $96 சம்திங் இருந்துச்சு. हाँ बस पाली So ये National Highway 66 है. This is a old one because National Highway 166 नीचे, that is a highway actually. So this is going via mountain. Yeah, it's good because after so much ride 200 kilometers ऐसा कुछ माउंटेन से नीचे उतरना ऊपर चढ़ना इट्स बनता तो है, राइट? बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर यू स्लो डाउन, यू गेट अ फ्रेश एयर, यू आर एबल टू एंजॉय द नेचर. सो ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न, थोड़ा मज़े तो लेना ज़रूरी है, राइट? सो ये अपना जो रोड है, दिस इज नेशनल हाईवे 66 विच इज़ गोइंग थ्रू द माउंटेन. ओके, ये छोटा रोड है. ओके, so if you see in the map, I'll tell you where exactly it is. कोतरवाड़ी के adjacent वाला रोड, ठीक है? So when you are coming from Goa, पाली से राइट लेना है. महावीर एंटरप्राइज करके एक है लोकेशन. सो वहाँ से इफ यू आर टेकिंग राइट, then you will be able to catch the same way which I am coming right now. Okay, so idhar Zola temple hai, you can see dam, you can see lake, so views acha hai. Right now I'm not taking the picture or I'm not taking the halt because as I told you earlier, I need to reach earlier. ठीक है, we are in national highway, the bigger lane. So ये है national highway, ठीक है? So this is 166 which is connecting national highway 66. So we are on the road. मजा आ गया ना बाबू? ये थोड़ा कच्चा रोड है अभी, the construction work is ongoing. आई थिंक यहाँ पर ही मैंने आया था लास्ट टाइम। मेरा फॉग लैम्प गिर गया था शायद। आई थिंक नहीं, नॉट दिस प्लेस, वो राजापुर के थोड़े आगे पीछे था while going from Mumbai. So I'm here in Sangameshwar. So while coming, I was going from this place. So this route takes you to Koshumbu, then Devruk. Okay. Then from Devruk to you will go to Shakarpa. So from Devruk you will go to Shakarpa, but this will take you to National Highway 66. So this is the best route. So if you're coming from Sangameshwar, don't take left, go straight. So this is my one recommendation that I would like to give it to the people who are coming to Goa, because वो थोड़ा लंबा है and this is a quite short distance. So yeah, good. So इसलिए I just wanted to tell you people कि यहाँ से भी ये भी रास्ता है। अच्छा हुआ, no, while going I went from the different road, and while coming I'm coming from the different way. So this is a mechanic where he helped me out to fix the headlamp last time. So right now I've just crossed Mahad, and outside we have a Mahabaleshwar, and you can see all the riders are coming up. They are moving to their home, Mumbai. From Goa to Mumbai, it's been a very quick ride. So right now I'm in Mahabaleshwar and I made it. Okay. Before 3 or 4 I'll most probably I'll reach home. That's a good sign. And it's a good one. Mahabaleshwar, I reached Mahabaleshwar. Okay. That's it. I just wanted to show you around कि भाई ऐसा भी होता है. From Mumbai to Goa, they say 12 hours. No, it actually takes 7 to 8 hours continuous. So that's a good thing. Okay. So currently I'm in Mirjoli, National Highway 66. So from here, just few kilometers away, we have Chiplun. So just to skip the Chiplun, we have to take left. Okay, so this goes to Baushewadi. From there, you know, you will go to Azad Nagar. Then Chipluni Dhaba is there. Then Dhaman Devi Mohala. So from there you go up to, you know, Khed. So this is a highway, you have to take left. So I'm gonna take left, okay, because if you go by bypass, it's way more you know, it's a circle, okay, so it's difficult. The kilometers will increase, so that will, you know, make you more time consuming, and you know, distance बढ़ जाएगा, then problem नहीं है, like when distance बढ़ता है तो time भी बढ़ता है. So this will take directly to the Khed, ठीक है. तो ये shortcut रास्ता बोल सकते हैं, but I think this is way by through the mountain. तो ये शायद वैसी है रास्ता. Let's see कैसे जाता है करके, ठीक है. But this is not a National Highway 66. This is from somewhere else, okay. This is from inside of the Guwagar bypass road. So this will take you to Khed. So from Khed you can go to Panvel. So it's मतलब basically kilometers आपका कम हो जाएगा यहाँ से. Otherwise if you want to come and bypass, that will also come on the same road, but ये जो लेके जाएगा ये शॉर्टकट है और वो सेम रोड पे छोड़ेगा अपन को. तो ये रोड कहाँ देखो बोला ना, इट्स अ फुली माउंटेन. सो वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द माउंटेन. ओके, सो ये माउंटेन के साइड से लेके जाएगा चिपलून के. अभी नीचे उतर रहे हैं हम. शॉर्ट रास्ता है यह, लेकिन दिस विल अगेन टेक अस टू नेशनल हाईवे 66. सो सी दिस पार्ट वी आर स्किपिंग. ओके, I'll show you once again. Let me go to some of the view point. Okay, let me show this. Okay, so what basically we are doing is, can you see this one? This whole area is a city. Okay, so ये road वहाँ से ऐसा घूम के सीधे there's a mountain over there, वहाँ जाता है. So वहाँ से connect होता है अपने लिए. So we are going from this side and going to connect in that particular road. Okay, तो ये mountain पे जाता है, that is also a highway. ठीक है, so ये भी अच्छा है, वो भी अच्छा है. We have crossed Siflun city. Okay, so now we will join National Highway 66, which will take us to Khed and Panvel. ठीक है, so okay. So this is the road which is showing. Yeah, but yes. So track cross हो गया है. So यहाँ से भी आ सकते थे. As I told you, we have skipped the Chiplun city. Okay, so ऊपर से आएंगे तो मतलब व्यू देखने मिलता था, बट नहीं चाहिए. We want to save time, so save kilometers, which will help you to save time. Okay, so these two things you have to keep in mind. Okay, so this is what we have saw from down. Okay, so यही रोड है वो जो नीचे से हमको दिख रहा था. गुड. So I'll tell you the incident which happened with me when I was doing my Gokarna ride. Okay, so that time I took my Bullet Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Stellar Red, which is my own bike. Okay, so that was a new one. You can see this. I'll show you around. ठीक है, तो तभी क्या हो रहा था कि I was just see, this is a whole Chiplun, and I came from that mountain directly to this one. So this is how you can skip. So this will take you from the corner from this side. Okay, so I came from this side. So this actually वहाँ से गोवा ऐसा है, तो फिर this is a very much shortcut. ठीक है. लव, एक खुशी जो आती है ना जब ये टनल के अंदर से टनल को देखते तो लाइक बचपन में यू नो वो जब ट्रेन से जाते थे तो टनल के अंदर से जाता था, मज़ा आता था यार इतना. चलो थोड़ा लाइट वीड ऑन कर लेंगे. तो ये शायद 1000 मीटर का टनल है. क्वाइट गुड वन. मज़ा आ रहा ना. इसलिए बोलता हूँ रोड पे आओ, बाइक लो, ट्रिप पे जाओ. The confidence you will get in life is it's uncomparable with anything. देख भाई लाइफ में ना तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. When you have survived this, ठीक है, मज़ा आ रहा ना टनल. So अब ये क्रॉस करते ही महाड़ आएगा. Guys, why I'm doing this? Because I just wanted to let people know कि भाई you can come up one day. There are lots of people who are giving up their motivation, their confidence. So please don't give that. अंदर दे दो पंद्रह यार. Oh, nice one. So we have crossed Chiplun. Now we are heading towards Mahad. So one thing, National Highway 66, I have not let that go. Okay, I'm not going to any wrong place. Sorry, not wrong place. Any ghat area. I'm taking this highway. This is pretty much awesome highway that I have ever saw, and I'm so quick. It is taking me to Mumbai. Okay. Better you come. If you want to be quick, come to this highway. National Highway 66. So I've stopped here in the highway. I think which place it is. I have to see. Okay. Hatiwali. And it's a quite good ride. There's not much. The climate is good. I'm waiting for my friends to come. So until then, we'll have a Bonville because बहुत नींद आ रहा है यार. You know, कल after a concert, you know, Divine Bhai का, then it's been almost 11. Then बाहर आते आते, you know, that craziness that people had, वो सब खत्म होते होते, you know, it was 12. Then we went to the hotel, had food. तो सोने के लिए तीन बज गया. You know, so literally we had only 2 to 3 hours of sleep, and right now we are on the road towards Mumbai. And this is a condition action. And one more thing happened, you know, again and again I'm telling you this. 2-3 बजे सोए थे, and we want to get down from Goa around 4 or 4:30, but we were so damn tired that we slept. Okay, and 6:23 I woke up. उसके पहले उन लोग ने दोस्त लोग ने उठ के बैठे थे, and then after that, you know, सब रेडी होके निकलने के लिए it's been almost 2 hours, and we get down around I think 7 or 8. So now we are in the highway. Chalo, that. So just to keep, you know, I think so. They might be in the event. So all the people are coming now on the same way because they want to reach as soon as possible. And this is a good highway. I'll keep this handy because We'll go. ठीक है? पता नहीं साले लोग कभी आने वाले हैं. So let's roll again. So this is, if you'll go from there, you can go to Mahad. So city is somewhere there. Mahabaleshwar पीछे गया already. So this National Highway 66 is very, very, very good highway for the people. Mumbai Goa old highway. It's a quickest one rather than going from Kolhapur. This is what I'll prefer the people to go. Good evening, guys. So we are back to Mumbai. This is Alibag. So यहाँ से शायद 1 hour journey. We'll be at home. मजा आ गया यार ये राइड. बहुत मजा. अब ये वाइसर निकल गया, क्या करें. वाइसर निकल गया बाबू, वाइसर. देखा, fucking irritating. Evening, the freshness. जो होता है ना वो डिफरेंट होता है. इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. वन इज मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. भाव रहे मज़ा आता है व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग. ठीक है. Mumbai. हो गया है Mumbai to Goa. Right now I'm in Navi Mumbai, and from here I'll go to my home. So either, as I said earlier, either thoda traffic milega, and like whenever you're going for the trip, make sure you're coming either before 5 or 6 or after 9 or 10, because that's where you won't get traffic inside the city. Otherwise, you know, जो टाइम पे अपन को आना था या वो टाइम पे जो अब आएंगे तो फुल देयर इज अ ट्रैफिक, देन दैट इज अ हेडेक. ओके, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट हेडेक, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी यू आर एग्जॉस्टेड, टायर्ड है, पेन है. देन अगेन यू नो दिस ट्रैफिक will give you a headache. So make sure you know you follow this before 6 while reaching home or after 9. So this is how you plan. Okay, so this is Navi Mumbai का महानगर पालिका. ना ब्यूटीफुल है ना. ओके, सो जाने के टाइम यहाँ से गया था एंड आई सॉ लॉट्स ऑफ राइडर्स हियर एंड देयर. Palm Beach Road, a beautiful road of Navi Mumbai. So finally, I'm back home, and Mumbai to Goa ride was pretty awesome. And now we have to dismantle all the blockages and all. So this is my boy. जो मुझे लेके आया है यहाँ तक. Hello, we'll see you up there. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Daniel Ajimoto Vlogs. Bye bye, take care.